see you regardless, my guy. See, I'm probably like, why the hell are we here in the airport? Well, it's about to be my boyfriend's birthday. Well, tomorrow at least, because right now it's November 9th. His birthday's the 10th, and I'm taking him on a trip. Best girlfriend ever. So you already know my boyfriend from the Dream Weekend vlog. So there you go. So talk to y'all when we get there. Tell me why I'm at there. It's tipsy. This is what's tipsy. I lied. Getting over a hangover. I was throwing up all this morning. Freaking ridiculous. Who gets lit before a flight? Didn't Peter get lit before a flight? Anyway. Why would you sit over here? Oh, there's no seats by the window. How you feel? The camera's not on you, but how do you feel? You're about to be an old fart. How do you feel?
Oh, this is trash.
Run me my $3. How you gonna say the orange juice is trash? I'm telling you, blood clot hangover. Next time you buy your own blood clot orange juice, you tell the dry boy. I only do simple orange juice anyways. Minute made is trash. Oh, get any orange juice.
I don't know why you got me.
Give me my $3.
Yeah, $3.
No, give me my $3. I don't want the orange juice.
Walk back down there.
I ain't walking about that. Give me my blood clot $3. I'm buying shit. Trying to be a good girlfriend. Never again. Give me $3. You just spit on me? Look at my double chin, Matthew. Skiat. Scrap up.
Leave me alone.
Manahat. And said, Skiat. Alright. This is a wig, y'all. I finesse this. Give shit baby hairs and all. And it's synthetic. Alright, I'm gonna go because my tooth's annoying as hell. You excited?
No.
You not excited for your birthday trip?
In my bed.
You still gotta hang on? While he's hangover, I'll be having fun. This is some bright ass sun. Y'all know only fly with the best. Shut the balloon. There's this lady with this kid in front of us, and I swear to God, did she cry? There's a baby too, but I'm gonna be tight. Like I'm gonna be tight.
I'm gonna be tight.
I'm gonna be tight. He mad hype, trying to like low key hide it. You just roll your eyes at me. What? Here we are. Now we just gotta go through customs. I am super tired. That was a 4-hour flight, and I'm just tired. Matt back here got a serious headache, but I don't know why I even have my jacket on because I'm extremely hot. I'm burning up. I just hope you go through customs real fast, and then I had ordered a car with Expedia, so I don't know if they're gonna have my name on the sign or we gotta go to some counter. How you feeling, Matt? See how big I'm black clap bossy? About Gucci slippers. You couldn't just say slippers? That's that Scorpio shit. All you do is show the fuck off.
Better than like I'm a master.
Dumb. Pisces all day, every day. Pisces up. The fuck? Exactly. Exactly.
I ain't even tell you that.
I need this anyway. You do need this. It's custom made. I just need to get a pen. Like, always forgetting to get a pen. I thought I was lit because we were the dream weekend. And I had a pen finally to sign the custom papers. But now I don't got no paper pen.
That's the supplier, okay? They have this blue mini vans for you guys, okay, waiting for you. This is a share shuttle service because it was part of the whole package.
Okay.
Or did you pay the extra fee for a private transportation with this guy?
Oh no, it's just shared.
It was like part of everything, right?
Yeah.
What is part of everything, guys? Once you step outside and go here, you need to wait a little bit if you don't see them right now, okay? And then it's gonna make a couple of stops. So that means you guys are gonna be in your resort in 15 minutes.
Okay.
This is your place, this is the airport here. International Airport Terminal 3. You have to be here at least 2 hours before your flight on your way back.
Okay.
That means not a lot of tequilas or too much.
You heard that, right? Okay.
Something so important that you should know, senor. But what I recommend, once you get here to the resort, just put them in the safe.
Okay.
If you guys want to go out, you guys want to do tours, excursions, whatever you guys have in mind, you can always use your driver's license for everything from the hood, right? From Brooklyn. But not the passport. This is Punta Cancun over here, guys. So in this area here, we have the Coco Bongo, the Senor Frogs, bars, nightclubs, real and authentic Mexican restaurants, okay? Not Taco Bell. And to go from this place to all these places, senor, what I recommend, you can always use the public transportation, the city bus. You just pay $1 per person or 12 pesos, no matter where you go. It's a red bar or it's a blue one that it says R1 or R2. Or you can always get like a taxi. They're going to charge you $20 one way, $40 round trip. Too much money. Or you can rent a car if you like.
With our hotel, we got a car for like $8.
Oh yes. But you know, they say it's dog. They say that it's $8 because you have to pay the tax and the insurance and another insurance and this and that and blah blah blah. So you pay like $30.
So the bus.
So use the bus if you want to save money. If you don't mind.
Okay.
How many days you here for the US? 4 days. You guys are not going to do excursions, tours, nothing. How old are you, senor? 24? 21 forever? Or forever 21?
Forever 21.
If you guys want to do some excursions, you can book through the resort with your driver's license, okay?
Okay.
Second door right now to the left hand side, platform number 5. Okay?
Thank you. Thank you. Gang, gang, gang. He's never behind me. Mexico. No, thank you. Margaritaville. Nigga. Shuttle. Look for my name. So we gotta go to the left, but do I turn now? Let me ask the super shuttle guy before I walk off. Quick question. I booked through Expedia with Super Shuttle. What way do I go? Okay. Nikisha Spencer. Spencer is the last name. Nikisha. What if nothing getting booked? Do you need like the receipt number or something?
Yeah, do you have my phone?
I have my email, yeah. Gotta take a drink here now, you know. Clean it. this jacket on though. Spencer and Akeisha. No, it's JetBlue 751 from New York. Last week, I got the email. So we finally got our cab and we're about to head to our tally. I'm excited, ready from a 1 to 10.
Yo, leave me alone.
Annoying your nigga 2017. Our baby, our baby, our baby, our baby, our baby, our baby. Say hi to your cousin because she's gonna see this.
Oh my God.
I'm sending her the direct link. He's so corny. He got the X guys. Look at this. Show them you got money.
Yeah, yo, all y'all got to see is the camera. That's it. Purple City Burger.
You be texting hoes on the phone, right? Alright, so
Please follow me.
okay. It's really nice in here. Really pretty. Oh, private area. Thank you. How are you? Hi. Yes. The light is terrible in here. What? Anyway, so it's terrible in here. I mean, the light is terrible in here. And we didn't get the right room because I requested a higher floor, but we got the first floor. So hopefully tomorrow, they said they might get us a higher room. I'm praying and I'm hoping because it's Matthew's birthday and he got an attitude. So let me show y'all real quick the reason why we want to change the room. So this is the bathroom right there. Not gonna go too far. Sink, bed, it's a nice space. But let's go outside. This is our area. Beautiful, right? But the pool is right there. So you see everyone right there, so there's like no type of privacy. If I want to walk out here butt naked, I gotta wait till like 5 a.m. when nobody's out here. I'm not saying that I am gonna walk around butt naked, but the ocean view was really beautiful though. See, like, look, Matthew Mashitz is right there. I mean, I'm just thankful that I made it. But, you know, it's Matthew's birthday, so he got an attitude. So we're gonna try to get some food right now. What happened now? Oh shit, I didn't lock the sliding door. Anyway, going in that room anyway.
Hello, Itsmeniinii.
How you doing?
Hi.
Excellent, thank you. Welcome home. My name is Gabriel. I am the waiter today. Thank you so much for your visit. Would you like something to drink?
Quick question. Is the pasta self-serve or we have to order it?
No, the pasta is the 6 to 10 a night.
6 to 10.
For the morning, and I have the salad and pizza.
Okay, so you want to get something light and then come back?
Yes, and we're going to break the 4 to 6 and then we make together one more time for the dinner.
Okay.
It's the same menu, lunch and dinner.
Okay.
I need one break, 2 hours.
Thank you.
It's my pleasure. Would you like something to drink?
Can I just get a Coke?
Coke?
Yeah.
Perfect.
What do you want?
I don't even know what I want. Yeah, cranberry juice?
Cranberry juice, yes?
Yeah, I'll take it.
Cranberry and Coke. Thank you.
We gotta rest more. How you feeling 1 to 10?
1.
He's gonna see you. Up, up, up. So yeah, like I was saying, we're at the wrong room and Matthew has an attitude. He don't want to thank God that he's even made it. He want to complain about the room for his birthday.
Everything gotta be right.
Everything gotta be right. You know he's doing it for the gram.
What's up?
Regular Brooklyn shit.
Good. What pizza you got?
Margarita?
Too basic.
Too basic. So why the fuck would you ask me what kind of pizza I want? So then get my basic shit. You get as many pieces as you want. I don't name olives. So what you gonna do?
I'm not getting the same thing.
You even know how big the pizza is.
Yeah, not mine.
I guess. Salad and dessert bar. Let me go see what the dessert looking like. You know, in every vlog, my fat ass gotta go to the dessert. Okay, the salads are fake cute. Fake cute. Matt. Oh, fake cute. Everything is mad cute. Alright. Otherwise, for messing up the room, they did this. It's like 1 out of 10 bars. Alright. They have fish tartare. I never had fish tartare. They have fish tartare.
That's what they got out there?
No, they have more stuff that you get up, but you don't want to get up. Mad annoying. You coming or not? Yo, like, you can't bring a Brooklyn nigga nowhere, like, for real, son. I don't know what fish tartare is. I know fishes in it, but I'm definitely gonna try it. I know it's a salad. Oh, vegan, arugula. I'm trying to be vegan, y'all. I need to lose some weight for my birthday. Potato salad with tuna, fish tartare. And then they got dessert, but they don't have to. You gotta grab dessert while you can. Sorry, you wanna do this one here? We all gonna try everything. These two? It looks like jello.
That looks alright.
We'll try both. This is a fruit salad, definitely.
Pick that one.
I'm picking up both. Hold on, guys. I gotta be fat and pick up this and that red one right there. Mad fat. Look at that. Mad fat. Pick up 2 of these. This looks interesting. You pick up 2 of that too. You got one. Okay, be right back. Killy. So, this is 1 out of, well, 2 out of the many pulls. Our room is legitly down there, look. Yeah. Our room was supposed to be legitly up there. So I hope I can get somewhere up there for one of these days. The room with the picket fence is on the other side.
Where the pool bed at? We need to go.
On the beach.
Alright, we out.
I want to be in the pool bed.
Yeah. Well, I'm kind of fond of my bitches. Where are they at?
Yo, come. Leave. Kill it. And that's supposed to be one of the other rooms we could have got, but that one has like completely no privacy. So we just found the other third pool, the big pool, infinity pool. I forgot to even take my camera out, but I made a snap. We're just exploring the hotel right now. I just went and made a request to get a bigger room. I OD'd, like, I was like, I need a room, like this, something like that. So hopefully we get it tomorrow. But so far, I like it. The only downfall is our room, right? Right? So yeah, it's cute how we get to walk by the beach. It's one of the restaurants that we just was in eating pizza. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna dip in my own pool because this is about to be closed.
Yeah, I guess.
Oh shit, I love making me. I go on every trip and find new friends, like right here. Birthday flizzy right here. You get a birthday flick right here, or you want a birthday flick in the middle? I'm still in my same outfit from freaking the plane. Lord knows I'm hot. I don't know what I was doing. So the activities go right here. My chest is always out in the video. Almost died. But our room is like, by our room there's no camera. And the Kanika Jenkins case, everyone will have me on Snap. I'm well invested into that case. So it kind of got me fake creeped out. Anything happened to me and Matt down here, and nobody would never know. Feel me, Matthew? But you gonna go first. I'm not going first. It's fire alarm down here. Use your watch, yeah. By the white part. The button. Go like this. Be right back, guys. Oh, never mind.
Blanca se empeña en cuidar tanto a su hija.
Yeah, I counted right. 1, 2, 3. Unless you don't know how to turn on that one.
Sospechará que hay.
But yeah, later I watch some TV.
Este jueves, 6:30 de la tarde.
So I don't know if y'all can see this, right there. In Jamaica we call it a bat. I guess it's a moth here. And Matthew was a bad boyfriend because I gotta kill it, not Matthew. So hold this down. Wait, hold on me. I'm gonna attempt to throw some water at it. I'm not gonna kill it. If the shit fly in here, run. Run as far as you can. Let me Snapchat it. Snapchat me that busy. Bitch, I gotta be careful. I gotta on the side. I was about to go in the pool and look what I see. And the sad part about it is, I'm gonna have to make it move, not Matthew because he's ass. So what's this, a moth? In Jamaica we call it a bat. Alright. I was about to go in.
Why are you holding the camera sideways? You want to hold it straight.
Because you're in the fucking way, bro.
Back up, you want to hold it straight because it's not going to look good on the video.
Oh, whatever, I don't care, bro. Stop hurting and do what the fuck you doing,
Why
bro.
that light not on? It's supposed to be 2 lights on.
The light don't work.
cannot see me. Okay, so I'm really annoyed about my room. There's too much problems right now. And this fucking dog. This is crazy. There's too much shit. Okay, I'm gonna put the light on, yo. Oh shit, I almost went into a boat, guys. There's too much shit going on for me to spend so much money. I don't know who fucked with the TV before they got here. Well, after they left, the TV's fucked. Excuse my language. The light bulbs are missing out of the bulbs. Like, I'm highly confused. So now I'm about to go back to the main desk. Matthew's aggravating me. Let's see the camera.
A la derecha, aquí, a la luz, a la derecha, y entran a la otra oficina. Y ahí nos vamos a presentar con ustedes.
This guy must be tired of seeing my face for real. What time is it? 7:14. Hey, no one ever came to put the light bulbs in, and the TV is not working.
Mantenimiento, adelante.
Suplicadoras aquí.
Sí. Mantenimiento, adelante.
¿Eh? Sí.
Bitch, we all gotta look outside, see nothing gonna fly in.
Two things.
Look.
Oh, shit.
The lines to the TV.
Adelante. ¿This way, señor?
Oh, no, the TV no good.
Can you change the TV, please? The fuck? Are you blind?
No. No.
Just got back to the room realizing that I didn't have my camera. We went to eat and we kind of had fun. We saw a lot of new places in the hotel. We kind of warmed up to our room, but we still want the high level room. So right now we just chilling our bellies for it's now, damn, it's 10:36. Matt's birthday is in an hour and what? 24 minutes. 24 and 24. I want 24 minutes. Ski hot. Man not hot.
Man should never be hot.
1 + 1 is 2.
Oh, you want me to finish?
Ski hot.
Yeah.
You're trash. I'm trying to record you say ski hot. Oh, you look like a duppy in the corner, mad duck. Duppy no for frightened. So yeah. I'm gonna charge my phone. Have you ever noticed in hotels the outlets be like a weak ass wattage percentage? Like my phone is charging so damn slow, like slow on the backside. Like, but yeah, I'm about to go sit on my balcony and decide what excursions we're gonna do. I want to do ATV riding. So yeah, talk to y'all when we talk to y'all. Bye.
Wow, not even a mini bar free.
I told you that.
It would be restocked on a daily basis.
Happy birthday to you.
Yo.
Happy birthday.
Don't do that.
I'm posting that. Time for Megami, dude. This is a real side of me. What happened?
What's my time?
Right here. You gonna fight for a charger? Plug it into the wall. Fuck yeah, annoying. Sorry. What is good with? Alright, bye guys.
For me alone, me alone.